Hola amigos, and welcome back to Immersed Global Kidz. Today, we're going to go to the playground and make some new friends. In Spanish, that's called Haciendo Amigos. Have you ever met someone new and wanted to play together? Well, today, I'll show you how. Vamos! Wow, look at all the kids playing. This is el parque, or in English, the playground. Can you say el parque? Yeah? Say it with me. El parque. El parque. El parque. Great job. So, today I'm going to meet a new friend. Let's see how that goes. Oh, look, there's someone new. What can I say? Can I say hola? Yeah, I can say hola. Why don't you practice saying hola with me? 1, 2, 3. Hola. That means hello. Now, let's practice another phrase. This phrase means, what is your name? And it goes, ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? Now you give it a try. ¿Cómo te llamas? Muy bien. Now let's go walk over to our new friend and say hi. Hola. ¿Cómo te llamas? Mucho gusto, Sofía. Now, when we meet someone new, we can ask them, ¿Quieres jugar? That means, do you want to play? Let's practice. ¿Quieres jugar? ¿Quieres jugar? ¿Quieres jugar? Your turn. Fantástico, amigo. That sounded great. ¿Quieres jugar, Sofía? Sí? Vamos! Woo! We're playing together. And in Spanish, playing is jugar. Can you say jugar? Jugar. Jugar. Muy bien. We can play soccer together. We can play catch. Or we can run around on the playground. But the most important thing is having fun. Now, amigos, another important thing to remember is that good friends are kind to one another. So let's learn some kindness words that we can practice with our friends. The first one is por favor. Por favor, which means please. Can you practice that with me? Por favor. Por favor. And the next word is gracias, which means, that's right, thank you. Gracias. Let's practice it together. Gracias. Gracias. Por favor, please. Gracias, thank you. And now it's time to review our words from today. First, hola. Hola. That means hello. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? That means, what's your name? Jugar. Jugar means to play. ¿Quieres jugar? ¿Quieres jugar? That means, would you like to play? Por favor. Por favor means please. And gracias. Gracias. That means thank you. Now here's your challenge. Next time you meet someone new, try saying hola and then ask them, ¿Quieres jugar? And you might just end up making a brand new friend. You did an amazing job, amigos. Remember, Spanish helps us connect with people all around the world. So keep practicing your friendship words. And I'll see you next time. Hasta pronto, amigos!